Garlic had become known since ancient times when it was actively distributed throughout European and Eastern countries. It was actively added to different dishes. Now garlic is considered the most popular spice. In addition to culinary uses, garlic is used in medicine. Eating a clove of garlic before bed will make your health better. Read this article, and you will know all about the benefits of garlic. Garlic is a natural product that helps the body fight against various diseases and fully recuperate. Do you ask yourself, how much raw garlic should I eat? If you want to have a positive effect, you should eat 1 to 2 cloves of garlic per day. Overtreatment can adversely affect the physical condition. In particular, the work of the cardiovascular and digestive systems will be at risk. It is not recommended to eat garlic on an empty stomach, to avoid the appearance of ulcer. You should also not drink it with plenty of water, which significantly slows down the process of assimilation of the product. The best time to eat garlic is before bed or in the early morning when bacteria in the stomach are most vulnerable. They are not protected by food, so they are easier to destroy. However, if you have stomach problems, then you should not eat garlic at all. What does garlic do to the body? Garlic consists of nitrogenous substances, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, silicic, sulfuric, phosphoric acids, vitamin C, D, B, phytosterols, extractives, phytoncides, and essential oils. Due to its rich and treatable structure, garlic presents gastrointestinal, diuretic, diaphoretic, cardiovascular features. Garlic is capable of lowering blood pressure. It also has analgesic, wound healing, antimicrobial, anthelmintic, antitoxic, inhibiting cancer, and antitoxic effect. Garlic is very useful in avitaminosis. It also contains selenium, which is known for its antioxidant qualities. Garlic contains more than 400 different beneficial ingredients, including a variety of antioxidants, which have a number of positive healing properties. Garlic thins the blood and is a natural antibiotic. It is very important that garlic strengthens the immune system very well, thereby increasing the body's ability to withstand the harmful effects of the environment. Garlic kills a large number of a wide variety of bacteria. Garlic is added to many medications. However, it should be remembered that if you use garlic-based medications for a long time, they begin to suppress the intestinal microflora and cause irritation. Garlic is an effective remedy for colds. It is also recommended to use garlic for disorders of the nervous system, diseases of the urinary tract and organs, as well as for cleansing the body. The healing properties of garlic reduce the level of bad cholesterol in the blood. The positive effect of garlic on the heart is also proven. Garlic benefits for women's health. Garlic is a universal product that can be used also to improve the health of the woman's body. For example, it is beneficial in preventing the development of cancer of the uterus and chest. Many doctors advise to use it during pregnancy. Garlic contains folic acids, which have a positive effect on the development of the fetus. It also kills harmful germs and bacteria that can adversely affect pregnancy. The main thing is to use garlic in moderate quantity. Also, British scientists have found that garlic can prevent the occurrence of osteoarthritis in women, especially the femoral. This disease is most common in women older than 50 years. Osteoarthritis is a disease that actively destroys the joints of the knees, as well as the hip. The spine may also suffer. Some garlic liqueurs that have been aged for about 2 to 3 years are considered quite beneficial. Useful enzymes are formed in the liqueur during this long time, for example, such as icin. This enzyme has a rather strong action against tumors. It also thins the blood and prevents unpleasant formations in a woman's body. It also has properties that are equally important for the weaker gender. Garlic increases appetite, has antiseptic substances, and also improves the digestive process.